Simplification of numerical expression. Through this video, we will do revision work because some students have some confusion related to this chapter number 8. That's why I have made this video to remove your confusion. Okay, simplification of numerical expression. Expressions. This revision. But before to solve some problems, once again I want to explain the rule of this simplification of numerical expression. How can we solve? Through some specific rule which is required to solve this type of questions. Okay. So to solve this type of numerical expressions, we have to follow some certain rules. Okay. For example, and this rule is called short form BODMAS. B O D M A S. BODMAS. BODMAS means bracket, B for bracket, O for of, D for divide, multiply, addition, add or S for subtraction. B for bracket. B for bracket. Okay. And the O for of. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. And S for subtraction. This is rule. Bracket of division, multiplication. I have written short in short multiply. Division, multiplication or multiply, addition and subtraction. So you can see that according to this letter, first is B for bracket, B for bracket, and in this bracket there are three different types of bracket. Okay, there are three different types of bracket. What? So first is this is. Second one is, and the last one is, this is called big bracket. This is called big bracket. Big bracket. This is called middle bracket. Middle bracket. Okay. And this is called small bracket. So in bracket there are three types of bracket: big bracket, middle bracket, and small bracket. When the all bracket include in a question, first we will open this small bracket, or we will open, or we will do operation on this small bracket, then second middle bracket, and at the end बिग ब्रैकेट. सो हम लोग इस तरह से तोड़ते हैं. अगर ये तीनों ब्रैकेट रहेगा तो सबसे पहले वी विल डू द ऑपरेशन ऑन स्मॉल ब्रैकेट, आफ्टर दैट मिडिल ब्रैकेट, एंड एट द एंड बिग ब्रैकेट. नाउ कम टू द OF. Okay, of. actually of represent multiply. Of is represent to multiply. Okay, when I am going to solve some questions, when in a question of is given, so first of we will change this of into multiply में change करते हैं, but you can see that one more multiply is there also. So what is the difference? The difference is when in a question or when in a problem, if of is present and divide is absent, divide is also present, of is present and divide is also present, so first we have to do operation on ऑफ पर ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा, मतलब पहले इसको सॉल्व करेंगे फिर डिवाइड को सॉल्व करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट डिवाइड कम्स मल्टीप्लाई, सेकंड लास्ट इज एडिशन एंड द लास्ट वन इज सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ब्रैकेट सेकंड नंबर ऑफ, थर्ड नंबर डिवाइड, देन मल्टीप्लाई, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो यस, दिस इज द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस फ्रॉम BORDMAS. When now come to the, okay, I am going to explain through some example. Understood everyone? Solve. Question number 1. Question number 1 is suppose that 4 big bracket open, 4 big bracket open, 6 middle bracket, 4 multiply, small bracket open, 10 divided by 2 multiply by 3, small bracket close, middle bracket close, and last one is what? Last one is big bracket close. Because this time I am going to solve this question related to bracket. Because in BORDMAS bracket is comes in first. Bracket ही तो फर्स्ट में आता है, इसलिए मैंने ये क्वेश्चन लिखा. So now how can we solve? Actually this is not a setup question. I am written just a formality. But look at here, क्या इसका आंसर आएगा मुझे पता नहीं, मैं देखता हूँ. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट 4 big bracket open. So yes, one more thing, you can see that in this question the all three types of brackets have come, yes or no? Big bracket, middle bracket and small bracket. So first we will open or we will do operation on small bracket. Start with small bracket, then middle bracket, and the last is big bracket. So we will write 4 big bracket open, 6 middle bracket open, 4 multiply. Now solve. We will do calculation inside this small bracket. 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. So according to rule of the BORDMAS, divide it comes first as compared to multiply. Multiply से पहले आता है ना divide, तो पहले हम लोग divide करेंगे. According to rule of BORDMAS, first we will do divide. So 10 divided by 2 equal to what? 5. 10 को 2 से divide करेंगे 5 होगा. So you can see that in first step I have written 4 big bracket open, 6 middle bracket open, 4 identity I have written, multiply के sign है 4, multiply. Okay, now 10 divided by 2 5 multiply by 3 completed. यहाँ पर अब ये हट जाएगा, ये small bracket will be removed. Small bracket will be removed after solution. Okay, now middle bracket closed, middle bracket closed, and at last big bracket closed. Now come to the next step. Come to the next step. 4 big bracket open, write 6 as it is. Now in now come to remove to remove middle bracket, we have to solve. We have to calculate inside the number which pertains in the middle bracket. 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So do multiply. 4 multiplied by 5 equal to what? 4 5 ja 20, 25 ja sorry 4 5 ja 20, 23 ja 60. So we will write 60. Okay, big bracket closed, and you can see that in this portion out of middle bracket or out of big bracket, if no one sign is there, अगर कोई sign नहीं है, it means this is multiply. ये क्या है? Multiply. So we will put the sign of multiply. ये मिडिल ब्रैकेट के बाहर में अगर कोई साइन नहीं दिख रहा है, यहाँ पर ये समझिए मल्टीप्लाई है, ठीक है। अगर ब्रैकेट के बाहर में कोई नंबर लिखा हुआ है, अगर कोई साइन नहीं है तो मतलब वो मल्टीप्लाई है, वो क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई है। अगर कोई साइन है तब ठीक है, लेकिन अगर कोई साइन नहीं है, कोई साइन नहीं दिया हुआ, दिस इज मल्टीप्लाई। दैट्स व्हाई इन द सेकंड स्टेप आई हैव written 4 and big bracket open, 6 multiplied by 60, big bracket close, 4 5 ja 20, 23 ja 60, and you can see that this 6 out from middle bracket. That's why between this 6 and middle bracket multiply is there. Multiply will be there. That's why I have written 6 multiplied by 60. And now in next step we will write 4, and you can see that no any sign is there between 4 and big bracket, so we will put multiply. 4 multiply. Now first you can see that inside big bracket 6 multiply 60. Now अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 60 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, कितना होगा? 6 6 जा 36, 36, and we will write, we will put 0, 360. 60 multiplied by 60 equal to 360. Now once again in the last step to find out the answer, we will multiply 360. अब देखिए, इसको जब मैंने ब्रैकेट के अंदर कवर कर दिया तो ब्रैकेट खत्म हो गया, ब्रैकेट विल बी रिमूव, ब्रैकेट रिमूव हो गया, हो जाएगा। नाउ 4 multiplied by 360, 4 multiplied by 360, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई, अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 360 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, 4 6 ja 24, write only 4 carry to 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12 plus 2, 12 13 14. What is answer? 1440. 1440. 1440. This is answer. So students, in this question I have solved this question with explanation. When in a question with all bracket, all different types of bracket will be present, how can we solve it? How can we remove? How can we operate on this given bracket in correct sequence? Correct sequence में कैसे जोड़ेंगे? पहले यहाँ पर फर्स्ट स्टेप में मैंने स्मॉल ब्रैकेट को हटाया, फिर सेकेंड स्टेप में मैंने मिडिल ब्रैकेट को हटाया, और सबसे लास्ट में मैंने बिग ब्रैकेट को हटाया और आंसर को लेकर आया, ठीक है। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Now, this is second question. 42 divided by 7 of 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4 minus 10. Okay. So start with solution. You can see that. In this question, divide of plus multiply once again and minus sign. Okay. We will in first step we will write 42 divided by 7. We will change this off by multiply. ऑफ का मतलब मैंने बताया क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लाई. ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 प्लस 2 प्लस 4 minus 10. And now first we will do this multiply. But you can, if you have some confusion that sir, according to the board mass, division it comes first now before multiply. No, I know that division it comes before multiply, but in this multiplication change of, and according to the board mass of each comes first. Of each comes first before divide. So first we will multiply 42 divided by 7 3 ja 21 plus 2 multiply by 4 minus 8. This is question. Now अब मैंने ये ऑफ का काम कर दिया, ये ऑफ वाला काम हो गया ना, इसको क्या किया मैंने यहाँ चेंज कर दिया. ऑफ जो है अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल ऑफ बोर्ड मास, ऑफ इज कम फर्स्ट बिफोर डिवीजन. दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट वी विल डू मल्टीप्लाई. पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ये ऑफ के लिए, इसके बाद डिवाइड करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 42 divided by, now we will do divide. 42 divided by 21. 42 को 21 से डिवाइड करेंगे. In table of 21, 42 it comes in 2 times. What is 2 plus 2 multiply by 4 minus 10. Okay. Now next question. In this step we will do multiply. अब इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Okay. So 4 to the 8. We will write 2 plus 2 4 the 8 minus 10. Minus 10. Okay. Now 2 plus 8 10. 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 equal to what? 10 minus 10 equal to 10 में से 10 को माइनस करके क्या होगा 0. What is 0? So 0 is answer. 0 is our answer. 45 divided by 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 5 plus 4 by 7 minus 13 by 10. Suppose that this is question. Suppose that 45 divided by 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 5 plus 4 by 7 minus 13 by 10. How can we solve it? So in first step we will write 45, and you can see that in this question divide sign, multiply sign, plus sign and minus sign. So according to board mass, first we will do divide. 45. First you can see that after divide sign, this 3 by 4 is fraction form. So first we will change this divide in multiply. Multiply में change करेंगे. After put the multiply or after change this divide into multiply, this fraction will be reciprocal. Reciprocal का मतलब क्या होता है? अपोजिट हो जाएगा, उल्टा हो जाएगा. So we will write 3/4. We will write, or we can write 4/3. 4/3. Now multiply by 1/5 plus 4/7 minus 13/10. 13/10. Okay. So now you can divide. Now in this second step, multiply plus minus. So if you can see that this 45 divided by this denominator 3, this 45 will be divided by this denominator 3. 3 15 45. Now once again this 15 also divided. This 15 will be divided by this 5, this denominator 5 also. Okay, because you can see that multiply side. So once again this 15 divided by this 5 3 is 15. Okay, completed. Now in next step you will write 3 multiply by 4. Don't need to write multiply by 1, or we can write. Don't need to write. Okay, multiply by 3 multiply by 4. Okay, we will write. To understand, we have to write multiply by 1 plus 4/7 minus 13/10. 13/10. Okay, now in this step first we will do multiply. 3 4 ja 12, 12 1 ja 12. So we will write 12 plus 4/7 minus 13/10. Okay, and you can see that in this 12, this is fraction form, but this 12 is not fraction form, this is a whole number. So to make this 12 fraction form, we will write 1 as a denominator. So we will write 1. Now this all number change in fraction form. Now to find out, first we will find LCM, लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. ओके, हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमको लोग को पहले एलसीएम फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. किसका? तो वी ऑलवेज वी फाइंड एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. तो व्हाट इज डिनोमिनेटर? 1 7 and 10. डोंट नीड टू राइट 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो व्हाट इज द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ 7 and 10? सिंपल, बिकॉज 7 is prime number. So we will multiply 7 multiply by 10. So LCM will be 70. LCM will be what? Look at here. LCM will be what? 7 and 10. This is prime number na. So this is so easy. 7 multiply by 10 equal to 70. LCM will be 70. Now same formula we have to apply. Divide this 70 by 1. What is it, sir? 70. Now multiply by 7 12. 70 को 12 से multiply करेंगे, कितना होगा? 12 70. 12 multiply by 70. 12 multiply by 70. 840. 840 plus 70 divided by 7. 10 times 10 4 ja. 10 4 ja what? 10 4 ja 40. Minus. Once again this 70 divided by 10. 7 times 7 multiply by 13. 7 को 13 से multiply करेंगे, what? Product will be 91. Okay, 91. Okay, so 840 plus 40 minus 1 divided by 70. 8 पहले करेंगे, 840 plus 40. 840 plus 40. 880. 880 minus 91. Minus 91. 0 minus 1. Not 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 7 is here. 7. 7 minus 9. Not 70 minus 9 equal to 8. 7. 789. 789 divided by 70. Divided by 70. 789 divided by 70 is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, and this is answer, but we have to change this into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में change करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so 789 divided by 70. 71 जा 70. 71 जा 70. So answer will be 11 whole. Answer will be 11 whole 19 by 70. 11 whole 19. 19 by 70. So this is our answer. This is our answer. 11 whole 19 by 70. Okay. So this is question related. How can we solve this simplification of numerical expression when the question is in fraction form? Okay. Now one more question. How can we solve if the question is in decimal form? Question number 2. Question number 2 is 7.32 plus 1.25 multiply 4.5 divided by 0.9 minus 6.13. 6.13. This is question. 7.32 plus 1.425 multiply 4.5 divided by 0.5 minus 6.13. This is question. How can we solve if the decimal is present in question? So it doesn't matter decimal is present or absent. We have to follow the same rule according to the board rules. First we will do divide. हम लोग सबसे पहले divide करेंगे. So you can see that 4.5 divided by 0.9. So look at here, 4.5 and 0.9. You can see that in both number decimal is in same place. Decimal same place पर है. So we can cancel this decimal. Decimal को cancel कर देंगे. अगर same place पे decimal रहता है तो हम लोग decimal को cancel कर देते हैं. So what is question? 45. After cancel this decimal, number will be 45 divided by 9. Okay, and 9 5 ja 45. What is answer? Answer or quotient will be 5. Okay. So now in next step we will write 7.32 plus 1.25 multiply by what answer? 9 5 to 5. 5 minus 6.13. 6.13. Once again we will write 7.32 multiply. Now in this step, first plus sign, multiply sign, minus sign. According to board mass, first we will do multiply. When we multiply 1.25 multiply by 5, what is answer? Do multiply. 1.25 5 5 5 क्या 25 that 5 carry 2 5 to the 10 plus 2 12 we will write 2 1 carry 5 1 5 plus 1 6 so we will write 6 and you can see that in this question two decimal number. So from the right hand side we will put decimal after two numbers 1 2. So what is multiply number, what is product? Product will be 6.25 6.25 minus 6.13. This is so easy. You can see that. Now you can see that this number plus and minus 7.32 plus 6.25 minus 6.13. Now you can solve this question in two ways. How? You can see that this number is also this number. First you can solve first add these two number and after result we can subtract this number, but you can also subtract directly at first 6.25 minus 6.13. आप इसको पहले भी माइनस कर सकते हैं क्योंकि दिस नंबर इज आल्सो 6.25 ग्रेटर देन 6.13, तो दो तरह से बना सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज 7.32 प्लस इसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो आसान हो जाएगा. दो तरह से मैं बता रहा हूँ, इसी को यहीं पर पहले सब्ट्रैक्ट करके दिखा देंगे. 6.25 minus 6.13, what is the answer? 6.25 minus 6.13. 5 minus 3 equal to what? 2 minus 1 equal to what? 1 point. Decimal अपने जगह पे जाएगा. 6 minus 6 equal to what? 0. So what is the answer? When we subtract 6.13 from 6.25, answer will be 0.12. 0.12. Now 8. अब इसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. 7.32 plus 0.12. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 1 4 decimal. This is our answer. 7.44. 7.44 is our answer. 7.44 is our answer. इससे फर्स्ट में मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ देखा मैंने कि 6.25 is greater than 6.13. So first I have subtract 6.13 from 6.25 and after answer I will add this 0.12 with 7.32 and the answer will be 7.42. Second thing, see, first you can add these two number 7.32 plus 6.25. जो नंबर आएगा ऐड करने के बाद आफ्टर एडिशन यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 6.1 you can subtract 6.13 from the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so students, through this video we have learned the simplification of fraction number and the simplification of decimal number. Okay, thank you.